Hey, so I'm helping a client create a 3D file, an STL, for a part that they've recreated. This is it. It's a really rare, hard to get badge off an old Chrysler. And basically they're unavailable, and he needs me to help him scan the part and then recreate a really clean 3D file so that he can send it off to get metal printed, because they came out cast in metal. Anyway, so I was using my Einstar Vega in the high detail mode, and I gotta say, I mean, it's not the same level of detail as you'd get from a laser scanner, but considering I'm recreating this, I'm not trying to print it from the actual scan data. I'm really happy with how it came out. The original isn't perfect. It's been hand cast off a not amazing original part to start with, and this has come out really well. There's a few little errors, but again, from the perspective of recreating this, I'm really happy. It hasn't quite captured all the numbers, which are extremely faint on the back, but they're there. You can see the casting marks from when it was put in the mould. Again, not perfect, but for recreation, rather than just printing, this is fantastic. So yeah, pretty stoked with how this one came out, and I will post the final version at a later date. So if you have an Unobtanium part in Australia that you would like recreated and 3D printed in a form of plastic, or ready to be 3D printed in metal, hit me up. I'll help you out. Thank you.